welcome to SS Multimedia. I am Krithika Balakanda, and today we are going to be learning about arrays and multiplication. Our objective for today is understanding arrays and multiplication. So basically an array is, suppose we have 2 times 2 equals blank. Suppose that's our problem. Basically, an array is we're gonna draw like stuff to represent this problem in a model. So basically, suppose we're gonna draw circles. We have 2 circles for the first one, for the first number, and we have another 2 circles for the second number. And now we just add them. 1, 2, 3, 4. We count them. So basically, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So this is exactly what we're going to be doing today. This is a basic array. So let's get started. So for our first question, we have 4 times 3. 4 times 3. And keep in mind, this is a times. That means times. This is a multiplication symbol. It's a shorter version for multiplication, and that's how you type a multiplication symbol when you're writing problems like this. Okay, so first of all, we have 4 times 3. Let me get another color. Okay, let's get blue. So first, we have 4. And that means we have to draw 4 of something. Let's draw triangles. Let's draw triangles. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have 3. That means we have to draw the 4 triangles that we drew over here 2 more times. We have to draw it a total of 3 times. So basically, this is a row. This is one array. That's one array. That's 1. But now we have to draw it 2 more times because this equation, this problem basically means draw this array 3 times in total. Draw 4 triangles 3 times in total, or whatever shape you choose to put. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the second array. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the third array. Now we have 4 times 3 drawn as 3 arrays. So now we're just going to cross each one off. Actually, let's color them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Our answer is 12. We represented 4 times 3 as an array, right over here as an array, to solve the problem, and we got the answer. 12 triangles. 12 triangles. Okay, let's go to the next question. For our second question, we have 7 times 5. Again, remember, this apostrophe right over here, the apostrophe means the multiplication sign. When you're typing, you can't type a multiplication sign. So the apostrophe represents the multiplication sign. And just keep that in mind because that's how all our questions are going to be. Okay, so we have 7 times 5. So first up, we draw 7 of something. Let's draw not triangles. Let's draw circles this time. Okay, so we draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm sorry, they're not perfect circles, but I'm trying. Okay, and now we draw the 7 circles 5 times in total. And since we already drew it once, that means we have to draw it 4 more times. So we need to draw 7 circles 4 more times. Let's get to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's another array. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The third array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The fourth array. And one more. Let me just scroll down a little bit. Let me just scroll down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The fifth array. Okay, we have our model drawn out right over here. That's our model. Now, we're just going to get a different color and we're going to count them. Let's fill them in again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. All right, so each one of this represents 7. Each array represents 7. And this whole model in total represents 7 times 5. 7 times 5. And let me just move a little. Okay. And this part, this is 35 circles in total, 35 circles. So 7 times 5 is equal to 35. Our answer is 35, and we filled out the array. Let's go to the next question. For the third question, we have 4 times 8. So again, the first number, which is 4, we're going to draw 4 of something. Let's draw squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me draw it a little up so we have more room. 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's only one time. Here, there is 8. So that means we have to draw this 7 more times to make it a total of 8 arrays. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one array. And this is 2 array. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 arrays. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 arrays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrays. I'm really sorry if that's kind of like a rectangle. It is. So let me just redraw it. Not the best drawer ever, I'm trying. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 arrays in total, so we need to draw 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 arrays. Let me just scroll down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 arrays. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, 8 arrays. So we have 8 arrays. We have 8 arrays in total. And now to calculate this, to get the answer of 4 times 8, we're going to fill them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So this represents 32. This represents the problem 4 times 8. And the answer, the total squares in here, are 32 squares. 32 squares. I don't have enough room, but 32 squares. So 4 times 8 is equal to 32. That is our answer. And this is an array. So hopefully you learned what an array is and how to solve multiplication problems by drawing arrays to help you get a more clearer version of what multiplication basically is. Remember, multiplication is repeated addition. Okay, you have to keep this in mind when you're doing multiplication. Multiplication is basically, it's just repeated addition. So what it means by that is, suppose you have 3 times 2. 3 times 2. Let me just scroll down. Suppose we have 3 times 2. Basically, all that is it's 3 plus 3. It's adding 3 2 times. So basically, it's just 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. Suppose we have 8 times 7. All that is 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. This is 8 written down 7 times. And all this is adding 8 7 times. 8 times 7 is basically adding 8 7 times in total, which is equal to 56. So now you learn what multiplication basically is. It's repeated addition, and you learned how arrays help you and how to make arrays so that you can get some help. You can have a clearer vision of multiplication. Alright guys, that's it for this lesson. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching. Bye!
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SS Multimedia. Also, click on the notification bell to know when our next video drops.